Hi, my name is Reed Yessen, and this is my term project for 15112 at Carnegie Mellon University. So my game is Blokus, which is a 4-player strategic game where each player has different tiles and needs to place them all and competes with the other players to place them all. So this is what a home screen looks like. It uses sockets, so I've had to use 4 different terminals to simulate 4 different computers. So I've already populated the game with 3 other players, so let's just add this player for last. So you can enter your name, Nico, and this is what I'll see. So since this is Nico's screen, his name is underlined, and it is not his turn, because in Blokus, the order of players goes blue, yellow, red, and green. So let's go over to Reed's game screen. So as we can see, it is his turn. So he can make any choice he likes. So we could also try, to break it a bit, but I can't pick up any other player's pieces. So let's try to place a piece on the board. So I tried to place a piece away from the edges of the board, and that was returned to the side immediately, because in Blokus, in order to begin the game, you need to have at least one block touching the corner of the board. So let's try that again. And I can also rotate the piece any way I like. So what's a good rotation? That's quality. Okay, let's place that there. So now that I've placed that piece, it's Sebastian's turn. So we can look over to his screen and see that the piece was placed on his board in the same exact fashion that Reed had just rotated it in the move previous. So let's just have him make a move, and let's continue. So, and also, if anyone is confused about the controls, they can open the controls screen and look at the controls. Press enter to place the piece, pick up, use the arrow keys to rotate, and you can also, if you don't want a piece, you can just, oh, this is not obvious game screen. So if you don't want a piece, you can just click outside and it'll return, and you can pick up any other piece you like. So let's make one final move. So this is finally Nico's turn, the last player. And now it goes back to Reed's turn. So this is Reed's game screen. So in Blokus, you can only place blocks directly from the corners. So this placement would not be legal. Although this placement, let's say if we wanted this here, would be legal, and that is allowed. This is just a snapshot of my term project for 15112. Thank you and have a good day.